This is a big, whoa, this is a big box. It is the Summer Fabfitfun 2023 box. And yeah, let's see what I got. This is an even extra exciting unboxing. If you are new here, hello, my name is Stacy. This is Stacy Lee Beauty. I'm in my mid-40s and getting older can be a little rough, but I am here to help you make it not so tough. And on this channel, we're all about going through things, figuring out what works, what doesn't, and what we get in subscription boxes to help you decide if they could be right for you. And I have gotten Fabfitfun. If you've been around for a while, you know this. I've gotten Fabfitfun for years. I was so honored and excited when I had the chance. They actually, this is not a sponsored video, but they gifted me this box. I got to pick out what I want, but yeah, this is gifted from Fabfitfun. Like, so let's go over what's in the box. In the first customization, I picked the beach towel. This is from Riot Beach Club Beach Towel. And as you can tell, I do like stripes and I like pinks. It's a good size. It feels nice. Made in China, 100% polyester. So yay, this is nice. You don't have to be going to the beach to use the beach towel. You can just use it as a nice towel to wrap up after your shower or your bath. Now this does have a $78 value. Would I pay that? Absolutely not. It is nice, but no, not that nice. Don't think I would ever pay $78 for a beach towel. Customization number 2, I picked, this is the Sunday Citizen Resin Bath Set. It includes the soap dispenser and the toothbrush holder is both 11 ounces. This does have a $60 value, and currently I did not see it available on their website. It is currently sold out. It's resin made to look like marble. So we have a toothbrush holder there, or you could use this. Actually, I might, I think I might keep this in my office here, and you could either use it as for pins or for makeup brushes. I think I might use it for makeup brushes. And then here is the soap dispenser. They have a little bit of weight to them, but not real heavy. And a fun fact about washing your hands. You might already know this given what we've been through the last couple of years, but did you know that you're actually supposed to wash your hands with the soap for 20 seconds? That is about as long as singing happy birthday twice is how long you should be scrubbing those hands. Then I picked a water bottle. Now I love Dr. Pepper. That is my thing. I'm trying to get better about drinking water, and I am a very goal-oriented person, and I've never had one of these water bottles. I know I've seen a lot of them online and a lot of people talk about them, of, having the motivational things. And I always I don't know if that would work or not, if that would motivate me, but we're going to find out. This has a $40 value. It's 32 ounces, so it has the ounces on the side. By the way, if you're interested, I will have another unboxing of my paid Fabfitfun of that box. It just arrived, so I'll have to do that unboxing soon. But this is toxin-free plastic, and look, it has this little cool thing. You press this button and pop, up comes the straw. Just another tidbit too. If you're concerned about getting a little lip wrinkles here from drinking out of straws, I will link her channel down below, Mary Ellen. It's been a while, I don't know what video it was on, but she mentioned how in order to not get them but still drink out of a straw, that's when you're drinking I haven't washed that yet, but you go like this, then you're going like that instead of puckering, so you're not creating those lines. So just a little tidbit. Next up was I picked a body wash. This is Malin and Goat's Rum Hand and Body Wash. They are cruelty free. This has a $26 value for 8.5 fluid ounce. It is a foaming cleansing gel. It's with dark rum scent with amino acids. So it looks like that. I'll insert a picture so you can see better. It smells good. And you can see that it is starting as you blend it in, or as you are going around, it is turning into a foam. It's not like a bubbly foam, but I think that you can see like it's how it's starting to turn like that. Yeah, smells good, not overpowering. It almost has like it's a clean scent, but it almost, I kind of am picking up like, that's probably the dark rum maybe, like a little bit of muskiness. Oh yeah, they describe it as a sweet and spicy scent. So definitely kind of like a musky. And it is good for all skin types. They did have a little scratch and sniff. Scratch and sniff. I think I said that last with the spring box when I did this. Scratch and play game here. And I was so excited because like I was doing this row and it's like, oh, they're matching 3 in a row. And nope, I didn't win. This is a new product. Well, I mean, they're all new, but new to me. I had never heard of a hand serum. Have you? I mean, I have used facial serums on my hands. I'm trying to get better about taking care of my hands. But this is from Serumkind. It's a black blossom hand serum. Now they are cruelty-free. This is gluten-free and talc-free. $27 value, so it comes in the tube like this. It says a precious serum of the royal black tulip. So here is what that looks like. And it feels, it's blended in, like a very hydrating, it's not quite as thick, I would say, as a moisturizer. It's rubbing in good, very hydrating, and it's not greasy at all. It feels really nice. I have dry skin. And this is made in Korea. There is a little bit of scent to it, maybe a little bit of that florally, maybe, well, it could be since it said tulip on it, that's in my mind, but a little floral scent, but it's not like it's not overpowering or anything. I just realized I did not talk about the pricing of the box. So you can sign up either seasonal or annual. So if you sign up seasonally, it's $59.99, and then you have to renew for every season. So like if you just want to try it out, you can pick that membership and see how you like it. Also, I do have a code to save you some money, but let's talk about the annual. If you want to sign up for the annual, obviously, then you pay up front and you will get the 4 boxes for the year. The annual is $219.99 up front. So that does save you a little bit on the box. That equals out to about $54.99 per box. And the other benefits is that you get to customize first before the annual people get to customize first, and their box gets shipped out first. If you do want to try it out, of course you want to save some money if you can, right? I do have a code. It is Stacy, STACI 20, and that will save you 20% off. This next item is from SPACE. It is a vibrating massaging ball. This has a $42 value. Unfortunately, this is another thing that is currently not available on their website, so don't know if they will be bringing it back. It seems like sometimes when things are in boxes, either they're just temporarily sold out, or sometimes they won't come back. Kind of don't know. But so here's what it looks like, and you open it and screw it, and then this is where you put the batteries. Takes 2 AA batteries. And then this is the on-off button right here. This is made for small muscle group. Have you tried anything like this? I can't remember. I've had like the massaging, chairs and stuff. Now the value, we talked about the money, the cost of it. So let's say I'm just going to go off of, because the other box that I pay for is yearly. We're going to go off of, if you are a seasonal person, let's say this is $59.99 the cost per box. We're going to go with that one. And the value of the items that I got was $231. Yay! If you want to kind of see what else I'm talking about, what are the things I've gotten, then click right here on this playlist and you can look through my previous boxes, and maybe that will also help you decide if this is the subscription for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.